Good day, Mr. Felix, Mr. Dedi, and Miss Kita. Here, I would like to present my final report mentorship stream. Before that, let me introduce you myself. I am Nadine Hutagalung from Business Administration batch 2020 with Digital Business Concentration. So, for the mentorship stream, I bring my family business, which is Willow Florist, with the slogan Say It Flowers. So yeah, for today we will discuss about 4 chapters. The first one is introduction, second one is business issue exploration, the third one is business solution, and the last one is conclusion and implementation. The first is introduction. So, Willow Florist is a business engaged in florist industry. Willow Florist located in Medan and established 2007. Willow Florist provide all various flower arrangement with made from fresh flower or artificial flower. Not only delivered to Medan City, Willow Florist serve delivery to all cities in Indonesia. So like I explained before, Willow Florist provide all flower arrangement, but here I show you some products that Willow Florist provide. The first one is flower board. Actually, flower board is our main product. Flower board is usually can be used to convey our condolence, untuk mengucapkan selamat berbahagia atas pernikahan, selamat sukses atas pelantikan atau grand opening and other events. Oh ya, sorry, in Indonesia, actually in Indonesia beragam bentuk papan bunga. Biasanya beda daerah, beda bentuk papan bunga. So yang saya tunjukin di sini adalah papan bunga model Jakarta. Bisa kita lihat sendiri papan bunga model Jakarta itu terbuat dari styrofoam ya papannya, dan tulisannya juga terbuat dari styrofoam yang diberi warna dan diberi bunga mahkota atas bawah. Nah, bunga mahkotanya itu sendiri itu terbuat dari fresh flower. The second one is standing flower. Ya, seperti yang bisa kita lihat, standing flower terbuat dari fresh flower also. But ada juga beberapa toko florist yang membuat fresh flower dari artificial flower. Standing flower can be used to convey condolence and can be used to say congratulations also. The third one is hand bouquet, yeah, also made from fresh flower. Next is table flower made from fresh flower. Ada juga made from artificial flower, like it name table flower ya. Table flower ini biasanya digunakan atau diletakkan di atas meja altar gereja. But sometimes pelanggan kita juga mau pesan table flower but mini version untuk menjenguk orang sakit. And next is cross flower atau bunga salib, biasanya juga digunakan untuk acara duka cita. And here is our logo ya. Logo Willow Florist itself like just Willow Florist initial WF, and our logo say it with flower with theme red and gold. Next, so here I would like to explain about Willow Florist history. Actually, Willow Florist is owned by Mr. Ricky and Mrs. Martha Silalahim. At 2005, they live in Jakarta. Then they moved to Medan at 2006. Then at mid of 2006, Mrs. Martha booked her friend's flower board with total 9 boards. After that, end of 2006, they opened florist workshop, which is Willow Florist, will provide flower board only. It means like at the beginning, Willow Florist not provide other flower arrangement, just willow flower, just flower bud. And at the 2007, it our first customer was come. Next, okay, here the business scope underground of Willow Florist. Before that, here the main products of Willow Florist, which is papan bunga dan bunga segar, rangkaian bunga segar. Okay, this is papan bunga Medan. Ya, saya jelaskan sebentar tentang produk papan bunga Medan. Jadi papan bunga Medan sendiri terbuat dari busa yang dilapisi kain dan kerangkanya ada kayu di belakangnya. Nah, sedangkan untuk tulisannya sendiri itu terbuat dari bunga artificial atau biasa disebut suyok flower. Nah, ini sebenarnya kayak suyok flower satu satuan gitu, dicucuki dengan jarum pentol lalu dirangkai bentuk tulisan dan model gambar atau yang lainnya begitu. Nah, untuk mempercantik dan memperindah, biasanya papan bunga Medan juga ditambah oleh mahkota. Mahkotanya bisa terbuat dari artificial flower atau fresh flower. Okay, so business scoop under Willow Florist is distributor of suyok flowers, fabrics, foam, and wood for the board materials. Next is the second product is fresh flower arrangement. So yeah, the main scope of Willow Florist is fresh flower sellers for all flower arrangement. Next, working unit in Willow Florist. From the operational side, the first one is store manager, the second one is florist assistant, the third one is flower courier. Okay. Here I will explain about business issue, but the business issue that I focus in from operational side. The first one is less of human resource for operational. Until now, owners still have handled several jobs, makes operational work less effective. And the second one is there is no florist assistant. Yeah, there's no arranger can stay always at store makes we cannot accept it impromptu order or order in large quantity. Actually, Miss Martha can arrange flower, but when order come with large quantity, Miss Martha can handle it. Yeah. Then the third one is less of the main product. The color of the suyok flower and the board cloth has faded a lot, which is not suitable for use. Yeah. Then the third chapter is about business issue explore. Okay, for explore more about the business issue, we use conceptual framework that the first step is I and my mom and my mentor is evaluate of the whole business. Yeah. And the second step is make improvement with the predetermined strategy. And the last one, we will re-evaluate next. After we do explore, then we analyze the solution that we already discussed. Yeah. So after we evaluate that Willow Florist's main problems is two only. Like I already explained before, there's three problems, right? Then we focusing more into main problems, which is the absence of florist assistant and the less of main products, which is suyok flowers and board for flower bird. Then the strategy that we discuss is willow florist should hire new employee as florist assistant and produce new flower boards or repaint faded board and suyok flower. Next. Okay, then here's a willow florist SWOT analysis. The first one is willow florist strength. Actually, there's two strength of willow florist, which is with quality, service, and product quality. Di mana willow florist selalu mengutamakan servis pelayanan yang ramah saat pengunjung atau pelanggan kita datang, kita berusaha semaksimal mungkin melayani dengan ramah. And for the product quality, like now some suyok flower and papan bunganya itu kan sudah banyak colornya yang memudar, itu kita tidak gunain lagi untuk mempertahankan kepuasan pelanggan. Jadi quality dari produk yang sudah menurun kita tidak gunain lagi dan kita akan perbaikin. And for the weakness of willow florist is short-handed, like I explained before, willow florist is not have florist assistant yet. The third is opportunities for willow florist. The first one is customer loyalty. Kesetiaan pelanggan terhadap willow florist sudah dapat terlihat, di mana sampai sekarang banyak pelanggan yang masih setia order rangkaian bunga di kita di willow florist. Bahkan tuh mereka ada yang sudah berlangganan sejak 10 tahun yang lalu, dan banyak pelanggan kita tuh yang mempromosikan, bahkan tuh seperti kayak mereka memesan bunga dan mereka juga mengajak rekannya, temannya memesan bunga juga, tapi mereka yang memesan nih, jadi kayak melalui pelanggan kita tuh, jadi pelanggan kita tuh bisa memesan sekali pesan tuh orderannya langsung banyak gitu. And the second one is willow florist. So actually there is an organization in Medan which is Asosiasi Florist Medan, di mana Asosiasi Florist Medan itu terbentuk dari kumpulan pemilik usaha florist, di mana willow florist tergabung di situ. Nah, dari tergabungnya willow florist dengan Asosiasi Florist Medan atau AFM, willow florist atau pemilik willow florist yaitu Miss Martha itu mendapatkan banyak keuntungan. Salah satunya adalah mendapatkan ilmu, rekan bisnis, dan juga keuntungan lainnya adalah harga rangkaian bunga di pasaran itu stabil. Jadi karena sudah ada dari AFM-nya sendiri itu mematok harga, jadi tidak ada orang yang bisa memainkan harga rangkaian bunga kecuali florist yang belum masuk dalam organisasi tersebut. For the trades is many new competitors. Like I say before, ada beberapa florist yang masih mempermainkan harga, di mana tuh adalah florist pendatang baru, di mana mereka juga belum join ke AFM. Jadi itu yang merusak harga di pasaran gitu. But dengan harga mereka segitu yang lebih jauh di pasaran, itu kualitasnya juga jauh dari pasaran gitu. Okay, next is business solution. Business solution alternative. The first one is the absence of florist assistant should hire new employee without arrangement skill or hire new employee with arrangement skill. The second one is problem of less of products. We should produce new flower board and buy new soyuk flower or repaint
faded Suyok flower and the board. And after we analyze the solution, we conclude that for the problem, the absence of florist assistant, we should hire new employee with arrangement skill and have experience before. Don't hire new employee without arrangement skill. And for the list of products, we should repaint all faded Suyok flower and boards. For this, why we choose this solution, because untuk memberi warna atau ya memberi warna ulang terhadap Suyok flower dan papan bunga yang sudah memudar itu modalnya minim dibandingkan harus membeli dan memproduksi ulang yang baru gitu. And next adalah implementation plan terhadap solusi yang sudah kita discuss. Oke, dengan solusi like I explained before, solusi untuk kekurangan produk atau produk yang sudah produk dengan kualitas yang sudah menurun. Then here is the process for repaint of Suyok flower. Yeah, like here is the Suyok flower before repaint. Ya. Kelihatan jelas ini warna Suyok flowernya sudah sangat memudar, dan inilah yang sudah diwarnai, diberi warna ulang, itu warnanya sudah kembali cerah dan layak untuk dipergunakan kembali. Nah, yang di sebelah sini itu adalah prosesnya di mana kita itu mencuci, lalu menjemur Suyok flowernya, lalu diberi warna, direndam, baru kita jemur kembali sampai Suyok flowernya itu kering. Begitu. So yeah, that's all from Willow Florist. Thank you Mr. Felix, Mr. Daddy, and Miss Gita. If you have any question and suggestion for me, please kindly chat me or contact me. I will appreciate it. And let's connect with us. Please follow our Instagram is @willowflorist_id.